Hello friends! After a good night of sleep, I was starting the second day in Japan with a clearer head and way more energy than the day before. I was excited to explore and happy to be accompanied by a friend whom I met at the guest house. So without further ado, let's start exploring. Okay, hello everyone. So I'm near Nanzoin Temple. So I came with a friend today that I met this morning, and we're just going to go and see the reclining Buddha. I'm kind of happy she's here because this morning I didn't know where to go for the train and all of that. So yeah, she helped me a lot. Okay, so we're going up to the temple, well, to the reclining Buddha, and the whole temple is so pretty. It's like green and mossy. I really love it. Okay, let's keep going with the visit. Okay, I'm looking a bit around because there is some places where we cannot take pictures or video. Look, there's even a waterfall. That's so nice. Right, let me show you a little bit more. So you have these big waterfalls going all of the way up here. It looks so natural and pretty. This temple is way bigger than I thought. And of course, stairs. Why? Why do they put that?
Oh, comment on dit?
C'est mignon en tout cas. Oh, you have to be in shape. There's a lot of stairs. Oh. We arrived at another place. There's all the little statues with all the little scarves. If you know what the scarves are all about, please tell me. After looking for the explanation, Miho told me it was used to repulse evil spirit and protect children from illnesses. But she also added that the meaning could be different according to the type of statues. Okay, so after getting lost in the temple for a little bit, we finally found the path to the reclining Buddha. The temple is really big compared to what I was thinking. And I'm sorry for the sound, it's because here they don't really like us filming with like a filming stick or stuff like that, so I'm trying to stay low key. So yeah. Look at those trees too, they look amazing. And I showed you the little pond before, like yeah, the whole temple is so pretty. Okay, so now we're going to do this fortune thing. So you take this paper and you put it into the water, and then it's going to tell you if you have good fortune or not. Let's go.
它也不是容易破的。
You'll have to translate it for me then.
Yeah. Can you keep this? Sorry. This is your request. If you try to force something to do that, maybe it's not success. Sorry, I cannot.
Okay, wait.
The romance. If we decide not haste, maybe it's better.
Oh,
It's
okay.
good. Yeah,
That's what I'm doing.
that's good. The business. If you buy a lot, maybe it's become the trouble.
Okay.
Yeah,
So I have to be careful with my...
yeah. And then learning, study. Please study more.
Yeah, that's what my teachers are telling me. They're like, you have to study more, okay?
Travel. If you go far, it's you can get profit more.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
good.
yeah, that's good
Oh,
for you. Yeah,
okay, so
yeah.
I am far from
Yeah,
my
yeah.
home, so
Yeah.
that's really good.
That's very good.
Okay, so it's like in the middle.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
okay. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
Middle is very nice. Yeah.
Okay. Well, that was my fortune. I will keep all of that in mind. Thank you for translating.
No.
So we reached the reclining Buddha, but unfortunately it's under construction, so we cannot really see it. Like, you can still see his face though, and see that it's really big. I think it's it's the biggest Buddha, reclining Buddha in the world. That's why I wanted to see it, but yeah. Let's go for big look, okay? Too bad. Thank you. So we came to that restaurant with my friend. It's right next to the Menzoin temple. And so the menu and everything is in Japanese, so she translated everything for me. And so I'm going to eat udon she also told me about this sweet, non-alcoholic drink made with rice. So I'm going to taste that too. And the restaurant we're eating right in now, it's really traditional vibes. I really love it. It's so pretty. Okay, let's try. It's good. It's like a dessert.
Yeah. Very sweet, right?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah, it's not sugar. It's kind of the natural dish.
Because it tastes really sweet, but not too sweet. And there's like, is it ginger?
Ginger. Oh,
I think it tastes like that a little bit too.
Japonais boire dans nouvelle New Year, yeah, for the celebrate the New Year or something like that.
Okay, it's a New Year drink.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, if you go to the shrine, then on the New Year, maybe sometimes comment dire, give the shrine give the amazake.
Okay, it's really good. I like it.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Thank you for recommending. It's so pretty. They really do nice like Christmas decoration
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Very cool.
Oh yeah, so we in Kokura.
Yeah, Kokura.
Yeah,
Kokura Castle.
and Kokura Castle.
Riverside.
I've never seen a castle like that. It's like really like tall. It's all the way
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. So big.